at least 3.
Oh. We gonna let him go to the...
That's him, man. Now you ain't gonna let... If you let them go to 60 for 700, I'm gonna stay there. If you take off, take off before he do, we lose. Hey! If you take off before he gets them 60 foot. Hey, 700.
Okay.
You gotta let him get to the 60 foot.
Okay, he said he gonna let him get to the 60 foot. Hey, you gotta go down there and stand down there. Fuck it. Damn. I don't think he gonna be able to do no shit like that. He done gave Funkytown $100. He said he finna let him get to the 60 foot and run. See, that's probably the mode he had on last time he ran. Look at Funkytown. Funkytown at the 60 foot. Look, he's still talking shit. Yeah. Ain't that what he said, right?
That's what he said, to the 60.
All right, we're gonna be right here. He said bet 100. He gonna let him get to the 60 foot.
Oh, that dude don't want us to stand down.
Oh, he don't? Oh, okay. Damn.
Oh, hey, I don't know if we can do that then. Look.
You want to call it off or you want to just see what it...
Well, you can't see.
So, fuck it. You gonna call it off? Hey! Hey, they already got the lights on. We got it on.
He left before that 60 foot.
Yeah.
He left before that 60 foot.
Yeah.
He left before the 60 foot. Hey, 60 foot, he left way before. He left before the 60 foot.
He left, huh? This how I won. This how I won. This how I won.
Yeah, he did. He left way, didn't he, Quinn?
Yeah, it looked like it. That's what he told him.
No, he didn't still get to the 60.
I can't beat that S10 truck out, God.
That nigga's from Hamlin's right there, bro. Man, you tripping, bro. Get down there, motherfucker. Hey, pay up. Pay up. You pushing, bro. Pay up. Pay up. Pay up. He didn't go to the 60 foot, dog. His front tire didn't get the 60 foot. No, the front tire. No, he didn't go to the 60 foot. You right there? Yeah, you go. Yeah, hell yeah, he didn't go. Yeah, he lost. Hey, you know what I do $100?
He said I burned that $100. Watching on TikTok. Yeah. Okay. Uh-oh. Is that how he post up? Okay. Yeah, what? Oh! Hey! God, man, what are you doing? Okay, he trying to do something. Oh, okay, he needs some room. He needed some room. Oh! Shit, don't do nothing. Oh! Shit! What? Oh, shit, he got too much power for him. He pushed his ass up against the...
Me?
Limpy.
No.
You don't know Limpy? That's a bad motherfucker, man.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, like and share, motherfucker. And if you really like it, hit that little fucking shit where you give my man some money, yo.
Yeah, yeah. It ain't even running right.
It ain't running right.
That be running like that?
15%.
That's 15%.
Yeah.
I hate the big. Yeah, stuff over.
Look out, look out.
It just made me feel like my car was in the way, and I done already put my car up, y'all.
Hey, everybody go shout out, everybody go follow Lookout Racing.
Yeah.
They're the illest over here, bro. They're pretty lit, fucking, they got it going right now. Let's fucking go.
Let's fucking go right now.
Can I just like hit a couple dance moves
Yeah,
right
here,
now?
let me see something. Shit, what you got? Oh yeah, that's it there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey,
Look out.
Hey, look out racing.
Yeah,
baby.
yeah, yeah.
Look out racing.
Already, man.
Look
I appreciate that, man.